Imagine saving your dog's DNA, only to find out the sample is contaminated. Does that mean you'll never see your best friend again? Welcome to My Friend Again, where we make forever possible. When someone loses their dog, the grief is unbearable. That's why families choose to preserve a small skin sample, a tiny piece of their pet that holds the key to cloning. But what if something goes wrong? What if the sample is contaminated? Let's break down what contamination really means and what can be done. When we say contaminated, we're talking about bacteria, mold, or foreign cells getting into the skin sample before it reaches the lab. This can happen if the sample isn't kept cold, if it's exposed to air too long, or if the wrong container is used. If contamination takes over, the DNA cells may die, and without living, viable cells, cloning becomes impossible. It's heartbreaking, but it's also preventable. So, what happens if the lab discovers contamination? Here's the truth. Sometimes scientists can isolate healthy cells from a contaminated sample, but it's a race against time. If the contamination is too advanced, there may be no recoverable cells left. In some cases, clients are notified immediately and asked if there's a backup sample. Sadly, many don't have one. The best way to protect your dog's future clone is to follow the right biopsy steps from the start. At My Friend Again, we offer biopsy kits that keep samples cold, sterile, and secure. Because once your dog crosses the rainbow bridge, there are no second chances. If you're considering cloning, don't wait. Preserve your pet's cells while they're healthy. Download our free guide below to learn the exact steps to take. You only get one shot at this. Let's make it count. Subscribe and like this video if you love your dog like family and want to learn how to preserve their memory, DNA, and maybe even their future. Comment below. Would you ever clone your dog? Why or why not?